and welcome to my studio. Today I want to show you how easy it's to color a coloring page in Adobe Fresco. Even if you never used Fresco before, don't worry about it. This is a super simple and fun way to get started. It's also perfect for kids during summertime. In this video, I will walk you through one example step by step. And guess what? You can download 10 coloring pages for free from my Patreon and continue your coloring journey after this video. If you submit a finishing coloring page, any of the 10 I provided, you will have a chance to win a copy of my Adobe Fresco book. Giveaway open to United States residents only. So guys, let's rock and roll! I have opened Adobe Fresco and also I have created my document. You can create your document in any size and of course you can use any orientation you like. My document has two layers. First layer is a simple background layer, default Fresco layer with white background in it. And second layer is my coloring page layer. I just opened my coloring page JPEG file in Fresco. This layer has white background as well. So question is how I can color my coloring page without messing up all those black outlines if I have white background. I will show you how just in a second. What I will do, guys, I will select my coloring page layer. I will open my layer properties panel and I will change blend mode from normal to multiply, just like that. Next step will be I will select my background layer and I will create a new empty layer above it. Why I refer to this layer as empty layer? Because this layer has no information on it. No pixels, no colors, nothing. This layer is empty. Now time to choose my brush. I can choose any brush from a huge pixel brushes library. Look at this library. I can choose any brush from live brushes. I can use a watercolor brush. I can use oil brush or I can use a vector brush. Everything is up to me. Everything is up to you guys. Today I will be using this pixel brush from a basic library hard round brush. This is a very simple brush. I love using this brush in my coloring page workflow. Now time to pick our first color. Today guys I will be using all bright colors because it's summer and I love bright colors. What I will do, I will tap on a color icon and from a color panel using this color wheel, I will specify color I will be using. My first color My first color is this bright yellow color. I will increase the size of my brush just like that. I will make sure that a brush flow is 100% and smoothing about 50%, not more. And now, using our new layer, which is above our background layer, but below our coloring page layer, I will start working on my coloring page, just like that. Look at this. And I don't worry about our black outlines because I'm using a layer below and we change blend mode of our coloring page layer from normal to multiply. Now I will create a new empty layer and I will change color to this bright pink color. Why I created a new color for new layer for our new pink color? Because now when I will finish this part of my coloring page just like that And if I will make any mistake or I will want to change color or anything in this area later on, I will do it without any hesitation, because I will be adjusting only this layer and nothing. Um, I will be touching no other layers, no other colors. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will bring size of my brush down and just like that. I'm not doing a very accurate job right now, guys, because I don't want to keep you here longer than it's supposed to be. So I'm just giving you idea, just like that. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will change color of my brush to this bright blue, and I will apply this blue color to our cow's eyes, just like that. Look at this. Look at this. How beautiful is it? If I want to erase any colors, in Fresco, we have different ways of erasing colors, erasing part of the art or anything like that. But today it's all about very quick explanation for our beginners. So if I want to erase anything, in example in this cow eyes area, I will switch to eraser brush. I will bring size of my brush down and I simply will erase this area, just like that. And this is another example why I'm using separate layer for each color, for every color and each part of the coloring page separately. Now again, I will create a new empty layer. I will switch back to my brush. I will open my color palette, and from here, guys, if you notice, we have all three colors we used in our painting today, in our coloring page today. Why? Because Fresco remembers all colors we used in our active document. So I will increase size of my brush. I will switch to this yellow color and I will just paint this area just like that. This is very simple. Just like that, and maybe around cow's ears. Why not, right? And again, if you made any mistake, you change your mind, or you want to erase some small part of brush stroke, you can do it using eraser tool, just like that. And look at this, guys. This is our coloring page. If you want to change a hair color, you can do it as well by creating a new empty layer, changing color of your brush. Let's change color to this green color. Why not? And just like that, look at this. Our cow has beautiful green colors, just like that. Nothing is too complicated. And again, guys, you can zoom in your document, you can zoom out your document. Everything is up to you. You can change a brush at any time you like. One more tip I would like to give you today. So what I will do, I will select my background layer and I will create a new empty layer. Now I will switch to my watercolor brush. I will be using watercolor wet spatter brush, just like that. And I will change color to pink color. I will increase size of my brush and I will add just few these beautiful watercolor splashes to our watercolor page, just like that, guys. This is how simple you can color your coloring page in Adobe Fresco. You can use different brushes, you can use different colors, and yes, guys, you can use JPEG layer with a white background. Just don't forget to switch blend mode of your layer from normal to multiply, and you are ready to rock and roll. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will jump to Adobe Fresco right away. Before you will do that, don't forget to download my 10 coloring pages, and don't forget to tag me with your creation on LinkedIn or on Instagram to have a chance to win my new Fresco book. So guys, thank you so much for all your time. Thank you so much for all your support. And I will see you later. Enjoy guys. Bye.